In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start a petition on change.org. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So the first step to starting a petition on change.org is going over to their website and creating yourself an account. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and click on this red button here, Start Petition. And then you're going to have to choose which category your petition will be in. So it could be women's rights, politics, animals, human rights, whatever you want. So I'll go ahead and select politics for now. So once you've selected your category and click next, you'll be brought to this page, and you will have to go ahead and give your petition a title. So go ahead and put it in here. So for mine, all I'm going to put is tutorial, and then go ahead and click on continue. And then in this section here, you're going to go ahead and put in who is able to change it if your petition is successful. So I'm going to go ahead and just put in here government, as I've selected politics. You can put multiple things in here, but once you've decided who can change it and you've inputted it in here, go ahead and click on continue. And once you've clicked next on that section, you'll be brought to here where you will have to put in a description of what's going on, why you're starting a petition, and what you want the outcome to be. So go ahead and put that in here. So I'm just going to put tutorial for this example. But go ahead and think of a paragraph, a couple of lines of description that is obviously telling the people that are signing a petition why you are starting it and what you want to achieve in the end. So go ahead and click on continue once you've done that. And then here you can add a photo or a video, or just to add a little bit of context to this petition. But for this example here, I'm just going to go ahead and skip this and click save and preview. But once you've added a photo or a video, whichever you like, go ahead and click on that. And this is the last and final stage, guys. What it's going to want you to do is just review the information you have inputted into your petition. And once you're happy with the information and once you're happy with the petition, you can go ahead and click on publish, or you can go back and edit it. It's up to you. But once you are done, go ahead and click on publish. And now your petition will be live. You can go ahead and you can share it on Facebook, you can share it on Twitter. You can copy the link here and share it on Instagram or a blog post, wherever you like. But that's literally how you do it, guys. It only takes a couple of minutes, and it's a really powerful thing if you can get many signatures for a certain topic that you're wanting to achieve. So if this video did help you, please remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.